It's Sunday, May 3rd in Dallas. There. Oh, there. That's Vinderla. I'm wearing my Hansen Protection survival suit that I got sponsored from Hansen Protection. So big thanks to Hansen Protection. Be sure to check them out. I got 4 of these survival suits. A bit of a rough. It's just raining a bit and just wanted to try the suit. We're almost ready for departure. I'm gonna fill some water and then we're gonna head home to Trondheim. We're like 9 knots of wind, doing 4.5 knots over ground. It's sweet. Genoa. Amazing to just be out here. I mean, the sounds just so calming. Running downwind, sort of coming in on the aft beam. It's perfect. This is what Vinderla likes, so I'm calculating that I'll be sailing basically the whole day. I want to go by sail as much as I can. It's just so much nicer. I know that it's free and it's the movement is so much smoother and speed is a little less, but yeah, and I know that I don't use up my engine and my fuel. So the less I use the engine, the better. And this is perfect. Just hunkering along. 4 knots now. Yes, and also I just dropped off Dima at his island, Kråkvåg. So that's it for it. I'm single-handed now, which is okay. But I got the autopilot. I'm not really an expert, but I think I could tighten the Genoa a little bit up. Doing almost 5 knots now in 10 knots of wind. I think that's pretty good. Just the Genoa. Such a heavy boat. This boat is 6 tons, 6.5. Let's see what happens if we do it. Made no difference. Now we're doing 4.2. Maybe that's less actually, so it's better to have some slack on it. It's a little wind, I think. Maybe. I think I'll slack it a little bit. And we're doing 4.6, so seems like in a light breeze, use some slack. Sailing with Victor 101. No, honestly though, I don't have much experience. I have experience with boats, but not sailboats, so it's fun to learn. And I need a new stick, spile, I don't know what it's called, for the mainsail. Otherwise I would try with that one too, but I think it's just gonna be a chaos if I start putting that one up. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy it now and sit and relax. Trondheim. Yay. We are almost in Trondheim. We're gonna go in here to another dock. Little rainbow. This ship is at anchor, I think. Yeah, seems like it. Can't see the anchor though. Oh. It's almost sad that it's over soon. It's been so beautiful. It's such a nice day. Both out and in. Beautiful, beautiful sail. Good boat. I like her a lot. So now I guess gotta start the engine soon and prepare fenders, lines, and all that stuff. That so beautiful. Alright, so now we're docked here in Trondheim, safely back in harbor. Not my home harbor, my home berth, but Brattøra. It's nice, but it's just this modern buildings. I don't think they're super nice. It's a nice dock though. I'm docked next to this beautiful Najad 52. It's a 35-foot boat, similar to mine, built on the same island in Sweden. So yeah, it was an amazing sail. Thank you for watching this episode and stay tuned for the next episode. Also, please like, comment and subscribe if you want to see